Hello, my name is Ian Santana Williamson, and this is my STEM Science Fair project as Early Clean Produce Edition. The purpose of this experiment is to see which way of cleaning produce out of the three methods we used is the most effective in destroying bacteria. Our first method was rinsing and rubbing with tap water for 30 seconds. Method 2 was submerging and rubbing with 5% vinegar water for 30 seconds. Method 3 was using the provided instructions for the commercial produce cleaner Veggie Wash. My hypothesis is that cleaning and rubbing with tap water will be the most effective method for cleaning produce. Because stuff we've read for evidence for this experiment, we have found most usually say that tap water will be the most effective. The materials we used were 18 organic apples, 36 petri dishes with agar, 36 sterile swabs, 8 face masks and safety goggles, 8 pairs of gloves, and 1 bottle of spray Veggie Wash. The procedures for the baseline were was to place a paper towel and put the apples on them, number the apples 1 through 18, swab the apples and mark a petri dish with them 4 times. Number each petri dish 1B through 18B and store the petri dishes. We randomized the apples for each group using random.org, and these were the randomizations we were given. For experimental group 1, our procedures were the same, except we rinsed and scrubbed each apple with tap water for 30 seconds, and numbered each petri dish according to our randomizations, and put G1 at the end. Experimental group 2's procedures were the same, except instead we submerged each apple in 5% vinegar water and rubbed for 30 seconds, and used the randomizations we were given to number each petri dish and put G2 at the end. For experimental group 3, we did the same procedures again, except instead we used the directions on the Veggie Wash bottle to clean the apples. And also, we numbered each petri dish using the randomizations we were given and put G3 at the end of each. Our results were, we put the results in a chart, and we observed for 4 days after waiting 3 days for the bacteria to grow. The light green is represented to be the baseline. The darker green is representative of group 1. Yellow represents group 2, and the reddish orange represents group 3. As you can see, group 3 grew the most bacteria out of all 4 observations, and group 1 had the least bacteria for all observations, even having a 0 on observation 1. The best cleaning method that we observed was rinsing and rubbing in tap water for 30 seconds. This is the end of the presentation.